So today we're going to see how to create a customer. Before creating a customer, we need to organize our customer into customer group, because we know that customer might not have the same privilege. With a customer group, you can organize your customer better. So let's move to the customer and then create a customer group. Default customer. For now, we don't have any reward system we want to assign to this customer, and we don't want to assign any minimum credit for this customer group. So I'll save it, and I'll go to the customer, Paul Walker. Just a name, surname. If you have a surname, you put it there. For the credit limit, means that we want to restrict this customer to have a total amount of credit. The group, we want to assign this customer to the default customer. Birth date, we can choose to assign the birth date here, email, phone number, PO box, and we can also fill the billing address and the shipping address for this customer. So let's save it from now, and now let's go to the POS. You can see that now we don't have any customer assigned here because we haven't set any default customer. On most tool, you have a walking customer, which is basically the customer who doesn't want to provide his name or details. So I'll go to the dashboard, go to customer, and here I'll select the default customer, who will be Paul Walker, but it can also be walking customer. I'll save and go back to the POS, and here I will have Paul selected by default. From here, I no more need to select the customer, make the sale, and just submit it. Now the order is assigned to Paul, and we have successfully created a customer. We can also create a customer from the POS. Basically, from here, we go to customer here, new customer. But in order to create a customer, we need to allow the creation of customer from the POS. I'll go to the dashboard, setting, POS, feature, and allow customer creation. Yes, save, POS, customer, create, and I can fill new customer here. Now we have two customer, walking customer and Paul Walker. This is how to create a customer on NexoPOS 4.